Risk disclaimer. Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's video where we'll be looking at the properties of Tradermatic. How do you set the properties and what do these represent? So those are the things we're going to be looking at in today's video. However, I want to say a very big thank you for stopping by to see this video. And if this is the first time you are visiting our channel, we'll be glad if you could just subscribe to this channel, show us some love, like this video, share it on your Facebook page, your Facebook profile, and of course leave your comment below this video, and click the bell so that you'll be notified when next we upload a new video. We try to at least update our lessons and videos here every day for you. Okay, these are free information for you, so and I believe you could just compensate us, show us some love, and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. And as you know, every week we randomly select a winner for our palliative cash gift, and we said we're going to do this for 20 weeks. So for 20 weeks, and of course, who knows, you could be the next winner. So let me give you 5 seconds to quickly do that, and we'll continue in a second.
Good morning. My name is Jasinimi Ajala, the second time winner of Mr. Emmanuel Adegbola's palliative cash gift. I would like to say a very big thank you for this gift. I truly appreciate it, and I'd say God bless you. Please keep the information and training coming, because we are really gaining from it, and I am gaining from it. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, so welcome back. So if you have purchased your Tradermatic and of course you have it installed correctly, your screen should look like this. So now, in case yours is not looking like this, all you have to do is right click somewhere, okay, over here, okay, that particular line, you will see Tradermatic properties. So just click on it, and these are just the settings that you can work with. Now, for example, this period, the period, Tradermatic work with any time frame, either smaller time frame or bigger time frame. Also, this period, the period we've tested 100, 200, 20, 50, but because the market is not stable, okay, these days, unlike 15, 20 years ago, that you could just place a trade and go on a trip. Right now, the market is up today, tomorrow it might be down. So, but after long testing, we've discovered that 20, okay, is a very good period. So let's change this to 50 for you to see what I'm talking about. Change this to 50, and you see, so you will have, your trend will pick some. Okay, you can see this place is flat. Okay, it's flat. This is flat. So you will stay longer on the trade, but of course you must be ready to shoulder some loss. That this is 50 right now if you're using 50. So if we use let's say we change this now to let's change this to 100. If you change this to 100, you see this gives you like this. Okay, so as I said, after long testing, we are settled on 20. 20 is an average, okay, for either you are a short-term trader, long-term trader, and of course, even if you're a scalper, this is good. Of course, you can see even on daily, on 5 minutes, on 1 minute, or whatever minutes you decide to work with, 20 is just right fine. Okay, so now that is the period. Then of course the speed, you don't need to change most of this default. Now show MA lines, okay, the moving average lines. This is the Alan Hall moving average. If you put it to false, if you change this one out to false, okay, if you change that to false, you will not see the moving average, you only see the box. But I personally, I love the moving average myself, so that because I love the moving average myself. Let's see. Tradermatic. So this is where we are. So I love to show the line, because I want to see when the trend line changes. The same thing is arrow. You can make it true or false, okay? And also the color, you can set the color here. Now this line, these are the support and resistance line. You can set it, you can make it. Okay, if you put this, so first of all, let's put this. Okay, you see over here, you see all these are support resistance line. For example, if I'm shorting, I can use this point as my take profit. This could be my stop loss. Now if I go ahead and remove that, if I remove this line, if I say okay, do not show the line, I put it to false, so I won't see the line. Okay, so if I want the line back, all I have to do is go back there and I said show line. The same thing, number of lines, how many lines we want to see, 2, 3, 5. 5 is an average one that we use. Now this also at the alert, the purpose sound alert, if you set it to be true, it's going to give you true email alert. I will show you where you also set the email and the push notification. So these are all the settings, and the colors you can, if you want to follow mine, all you just have to say blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and this is how we have it. Okay, so and of course I believe this is version 1.02 if you are working with Tradermatic. Okay, so then apart from that, also the MACD, many people will say, okay, yeah, the MACD Pro, mine is not showing all the colors. So all you have to do is you go to MACD settings, you will see where it says Pro mode. I put it on all. If you show above and below only, okay, if you show above and below only, it will show like this. And if you click on rising and falling, it will show like this. But what I love and what I use is all, so that all will show like this. So this is what I have. And of course my stochastic, as I said yesterday, is 1435, and the levels 20 and 80, and the colors, my main, I put it white and the signal to be red. Okay, now if you now want to set your notifications, all you have to do is you go to tools, options, and you will see email. This is where you set the email settings, which is you check this, you will get your SMTP server information, and you will set everything here, and also the push notification. But because I want to keep this video short, we're going to take care of this in tomorrow's video. Okay, I hope you have really gotten a nugget on how you work around your Tradermatic settings. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do us a favor, go ahead, subscribe right now, and then I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.